Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So as you see that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it's finished. It gives us here the Bitcoin a green candle. So where is the Bitcoin is going today? So if you want to know exactly where is the Bitcoin is going, make sure to watch all the video till the end. We're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin here in the daily. We're going to go to the 4 hours and we're going to go to 30 minutes. So make sure to watch everything. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin today, it gives us here a green candle here. It happened, it go up till here, then a big rejection from the top. We need to zoom it a little bit to show you those things what I'm talking about. As you see it happened, that big rejection from the top, that indicating the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. And if you remember in yesterday video what me I told you, when we touch here, I told you also we are in the 50 moving average, like how it happened here exactly. Same green candle here is the same one here. As you see it, guys, the same pattern, the history, it always repeating itself. You see it here. We zoom in those things to show you those things what I'm talking about. Look with me here. If you're looking at that candle here, that pin bar here, we got that pushing from the top is the same one who happening today, guys. You see it or no? After it happened a pin bar to pushing up, then it happened another pin bar to push more down. Why? Everything I show it to you. The moving average 100 is crossing below in the 200. Also, we just touching here the 50. That means there is a small correction, and I'll tell it to you like how it happened here. We're going to stay sideways for some time here, but there is more falling down, guys. I'll tell it to you. Look after it. What happened here? Same thing is going to happen here. To where exactly? Either we're going to fall down to here to the 25k down here. That's the first scenario. Or as I told you yesterday, for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go more up, it needs to come up and to break for us that last high here and to break for us the 200 moving average. So I think everything is too clear today. Friday and Saturday market is going to stay flat, so there is no move. Another thing, last Friday we said something here in our chart. Let me show it to you. Remember that two lines here for the option, that for the people they trade in Bitcoin options. We said people who want to sell cover calls here in the top, and people who want to sell secure pots down here for Bitcoin options. I'm talking here, or cash secure pots. Those ones they keep the premium, and those ones they keep the premium. As you see it, the weekly option it's finished today, so all those ones they keep the premium. Now let's go into see where we need to put for that week. So let's go into the page where we're getting that two levels together. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. As you see, the week is going to finish, as you see here, in 20 of month 10 2023. So as every week we started from in the money here, then we try to find the level of the pots and the level of the calls. So let's do those things together. As you see, guys, here that level of 26, we got a lot of pots here, 500 Bitcoin. The calls is only one. It will not be that the level of us, but let's try to find another level. As you see, guys, here the level is going to stay at 24,500. As you see it, that the level for the pot 24,500. We got 481 Bitcoin. The calls is 0. Now let's find in for the calls. Look with me here, guys, at that level here of 28,500. The number of the calls, and is the highest volume, but it will not be the level of us. Let's try to find the level of us. The level of us, guys, as you see it, is it here at 30k. As you see it, the calls here are 56 Bitcoin. The pots are 0. So now let's go into the chart to doing the two levels together. So let's go in there. Here we are in the chart, guys. We set the first level here down for the pots. We set 24,500 like that. And here in the top, we said it's 30k, guys, like that. You see it? Now you got two levels. You got 30k in the top, and down here 24,500. That's the view of people of the option, and even you if you trade an option or you're investing in the option of Bitcoin. The view the Bitcoin is going to stay here, either it's going to fall down a little bit here, or either it's going to go back up. But the view, as I've been talking with you before, me personally thinking there is more falling down. I'm going to tell you why in that video, or maybe from here we're going to see a correction because as the news we know tell now, there is the Bitcoin ETF and that madness. Me, I'm not following nothing from that, but it's up to you if you want to follow those things, because if you enter now to social media everywhere, those crypto fake gurus, all of them, they're talking about Bitcoin ETF and this madness. There is nothing. Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here between that two levels. Only thing now they're making the levels wide a little bit. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the Ethereum, what they're doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction, guys. Here in the 4 hours in the Ethereum, as I've been talking yesterday with someone of our members, we said we got here a downtrend like that. As you see it, today we tried to break it, but market couldn't break it. And me, I've been talking about that. I said for me to enter, it's need that one to break either here for me to enter long, or it's need to break more down, because also we enter a short from here until now, as we still holding it, guys. But for the long now, because me, I just discussed that with someone of our members in our VIP Discord and VIP Telegram. By the way, if you want to join us, you can join us. The link of our VIP Discord and VIP Telegram is it down in the description of that video if you want. If it doesn't, you can just follow our analysis here. We said if it's breaking here, we're going to enter long. Until now, us we're still waiting. So I think everything is too clear, guys. For us to enter long, it need the Ethereum to break here for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. And me, I'm still holding a little bit of that short till now. As you see it, how long we've been with that short, because me, I got here a down channel. I'll show it to you before. I told you we got a down channel here. Now we touched the top of it here. It's showing that rejection here. Now we need to wait either that one to go back up, or that one is going to fall down more till it will touch in the lower of that channel. Also, we don't care. Also, we enter a short and we still holding our short till we got something telling us the market will reverse. Till now we don't got nothing here telling us the market is going to reverse, because as you see, it's still giving us lower low. As you mean, there is more deep going to come. It's our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, also we are down here at the oversold area. So technically we need to enter long. Should we enter long now? I just show you we need either a price action down here, or the market to break for us that downtrend here. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, guys. So I need to be careful about those things, what I'm telling you, guys. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin, what they're doing today in the 4 hours. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, as yesterday I told you we got here a double bottom here, as you see it. I told you for you to enter long, it's need to break here the neckline. So it doesn't break it. It give you here that fake out here, as we've been talking about. Now it give you here that big pin bar here in the 4 hours. That indicating here, it's like a flag. When we reach the lower time frames, I'm going to show it to you. I got here a smaller flag like that. That indicates there is more falling down. I show you in yesterday video, we got here a flag, and actually that the thumbnail of the video. Is it like that, or a down channel? I told you maybe from here we're going to go up to touch the top of that channel, then after that we're going to fall down. Till now the market is showing to us it's going to stay sideways here till Monday, then we're going to make a decision. So maybe we're going to stay here sideways, yeah, we're going to touch it here, then after that we're going to fall down. That's my view personally. So guys, Saturday and Sunday, you know it, there is no trade. So also we're still waiting either the break of that flag here up, as I told you, or maybe we're going just to touch here the top of it, then after that we're going to fall down to touch the lower of it. Till now, as we're still in a down channel, you need to be focused about it. Now let's go into see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, it doing the opposite what it doing in the chart. I told you it's need to touch here the trend line, and as you see it's very close to touch it. In the chart it hasn't touched it yet, but here it's very close, because that one it's always fast than the chart. So if we break in here, we need to wait in the confirmation of the break of that down flag or that flag I just showed you in the 4 hours. If we break in, that means there is a jump, guys, because last time from that low here we jump. Now we touch it here and it touch it twice here. Look at it, that the first and that one is the second, that the level me I'm talking about. Look at it here. If you came like that and you see it here, that the first touch here, that the second touch here, now it's showing is going to reverse as you see it, guys. If it's breaking here, we need to focus it about the chart. We need to focus it about the chart if it's going to break or not. Also, we came to you every day, guys. So when it's going to break here, we're going to follow the break of that flag in the 4 hours. So till now, everything's still looking very, very good in the Bitcoin. So I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator we're saying. That one here, same thing. Also, we are down here at the oversold area level. I talk with you about that level here. People that enter with me swing trade, we still holding our short. Even me, I'm still holding my short till now. Because me, I enter a short from here till now, I'm still holding it. And I enter a second one here based on that head and shoulder here I showed you before. I'm still holding it. In that level here, it's not a very stronger level. Even the 200 moving average is there. So we need to wait in now what the Bitcoin is going to give us here. As I just show you now, we got down here. That flag like that. That very, very, very clear flag here in the 4 hours, guys. Look at it here. That's the flag me I'm talking about. If it's getting blocked here, that means you need to enter long, guys. Me I'm talking that level here. But in our indicator, it's very close to touch it. But also we need to wait in the break to happen here. If it's breaking that, we're going to see a jump, guys. You know exactly take profit for that one. You break that one and you do it like that. So I think everything is too clear, guys. But that just for the long, for the short, what we need to do. Short, also we already got a short, guys. Short, we enter it based on that head and shoulder here in the 4 hours. When it's breaking down here, we enter a short. Till now, also we still holding our short and we waiting the market to give us here now a price action. Because the market now it give us here like a triple bottom, guys. But it's not yet breaking the neckline. So we need to wait in that for that smaller here. And we got here that down flag like that. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin what they're doing today in the 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you watching me now. I know you are a subscriber and been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, guys. Me in yesterday video, I told you we got down here at double bottom. Market fall down, give you here like a triple bottom. It's breaking here in that zone here after that big squeeze what happened today. Then market it fall down here. Now those people they enter long here, they put stop loss down here and they are waiting what's going to happen if the market going to reverse or no. Because that place here we got a war, guys. Another thing, that one here, now you got here in 30 minutes, you got here a flag, guys. You see it or no? That's the flag. Flag, what is it? Is a continuation pattern, guys. Flag is a continuation pattern indicating that the market is going to fall down more than that. So if we're breaking down here, those ones they haven't entered short with us when we're breaking that head and shoulder. If it happened here, you need to enter short, guys. Remember that. If we're breaking here, you need to enter short. That for the short. For the long, what you got that one here. Look with me here, that one, and that one down here. You got here a symmetric triangle, guys. So I think everything for the long, you got a symmetric triangle. For the short, you got that flag. Like that and like that. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, we touch here the overbought area. So technically you need to enter short. Should we enter short now? I told you, guys, if it's breaking the lower of that flag here, like how I showed you before, or that up channel here, like that. If we're breaking down here, for that zone here, you need to enter short, guys, because that one here is a flag. Flag is a continuation pattern, indicating that the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. And I just tell you that for the short, for the long, I told you if it came here, look with me how I'm going to start. That one here and that one here. If that one came and breaking above here, you need to enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys. And please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button right under the comment. If you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.